just paid $350. This is the best day ever. Yo, I'm about to cry right now. What the? She starts like literally fisting my titties. Mocha Tesora, actually a large Mocha Tesora ice with medium ice, medium cream, medium sugar, please. Thank you. Good morning. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I'm starting the day off a little bit later. It's currently like 11 o'clock. I know usually I start these vlogs at like 5 a.m. but this morning I woke up, edited yesterday's Vlogmas all the way until like 10 o'clock, but we got it done. I'm really busy today and he's going to the groomer, so I thought I would start the day off by walking him, but I didn't walk him. I used one of like those bird scooters. But I'm at Phil's Coffee right now. I just got a large Mocha Tesora. This is like one of the best drinks ever. I'm just gonna like chill here for a little bit until we have to head out. When you're watching this, my birthday is tomorrow. My birthday is December 5th and I have honestly nothing planned. I was gonna like literally just sit at home and like watch a movie and order food and just do nothing because like that's what I like to do. Maybe like do some art or something. I realized how depressing that would be, even though I honestly don't care. I don't know, I used to care about my birthday so much when I was younger and now I literally could care less. To me, it's just another day. I'm turning 19, by the way. So good. But I decided if I'm not really gonna do anything, I might as well like treat myself. So today's basically gonna be dedicated spa day. I'm just gonna spend the day pampering myself. So I have a massage book, a facial book, haircut, a head massage, like a scalp spa, my nails done. So we have a lot to get done today and I'm really excited to take you around. It's basically gonna be a glow up video, but like less highly produced, if that makes sense. I'm excited.
Now I'm living on my heaven shit. Louis Vuitton's on my devil shit. We can swipe a Visa 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire.
Hi. Oh my god, boy, do I have to pee so bad. Like I'm holding my coochie. I literally stopped at a gas station. Why did I sound like an Asian mom? Like going, not racist. That's literally my mom. Basically, I stopped at a gas station. Well, first of all, I'm late because I need to go to ATM because this small business only takes cash. Like, frick. Like, I know what you're doing, girl, but I support it. Anyways, I had to stop at an ATM and then I was like, oh, I gotta go to the bathroom, but it was closed. So I'm like literally holding my coochie about to pee, but I'm in Koreatown right now in Los Angeles to go get a hair trim, and then I have to go drive to another place to go get a scalp massage. Why am I going to 2 hair salons? Because one of them is really expensive. Like the place I'm getting my scalp massage is really expensive. Like I called and I was like, hi, how much is a trim? And they were like $100, and I was like, and then I called another place and they were like $80, and I was like, girl. So then I started calling around even more. So we're gonna go to this little small business in Koreatown. And I called and I asked, I was like, hello, how much is your hair trim? And they were like, $40. Ugh, period. We love saving money, living better. We're gonna support this small business. They were so cute. Whenever I called, they go, hi, welcome to Beauty Secrets Hair Salon. And I'm like, oh, you're adorable. You remind me of my parents. I don't know why, but I've mentioned this before that when I was in New York, that I just love going to like Asian communities, like Chinatown in New York. I eat that up. I just feel like they're my family. I don't know. They just like treat me real good and everything like that. Let's go get my hair trimmed because it's crusty, dusty, messy. Like I literally, oh, I'm gonna piss my pants. I need to shut up. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, I'm here for a hair trim.
Yeah.
Do you guys have a bathroom I can use?
Yeah. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too. Thank you. Oh my god, I feel so much better.
Vietnamese?
Yeah.
Kongochi and
Yes.
N-U-N-N.
Yes. Chào em, chào anh.
Very good for Canada.
Calgary. It's not Vancouver. No.
Tiny. How do you say tiny is Vietnamese?
안녕하세요.
Nyashu?
Yeah.
This is so sexy. Look at this. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. a much needed cut because I was just putting my hair up in a bun for consistently because I just hated my hair. It like would not brush through, if that makes sense. They were so freaking nice. But if you guys live in LA and you guys want a haircut, go to them. They were actually the freaking sweetest. Like they were talking to me the whole time. It just felt so welcoming, and like I don't know, I just love supporting small businesses just because it reminds me of like my mom, because my mom owns a small business, like a nail salon. If you guys live in Alberta, by the way, specifically like Whitecourt, Alberta, or like anywhere near Whitecourt, Alberta, Canada, please go to my mom's nail salon. She would really appreciate it, and tell her that Mai sent you, and then she'll probably take a selfie with you and send it to me, and I'll think it's the cutest thing ever. But now I'm gonna go to another Korean hair salon. This one's a little bit more bougie though, not gonna lie, but I'm gonna go get a scalp massage because whenever people cut your hair and they go massage your scalp, why is it the best feeling ever? So I thought I would dedicate a whole hour to it. Oh, that was such a good experience. I loved it. She was so nice. Like my heart is going pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. Somehow they persuaded me. I'm gonna do a hair treatment too, so it's gonna be all shiny.
The oil, you should use relax.
Relaxing. Period. What the f? They got me orange juice and everything. Oh, I love it. Tell me why this is the best day ever. Just for the scalp treatment, okay? And I was like, okay, you know what? 150 bucks. That's a lot, okay? These shits are so cute. Okay, I have to come back here and get one. Ew, I look so gross right now. I don't know why. So I went in there for a scalp treatment, right? I was supposed to get my hair cut, my hair dyed too, but when I called in, they were like, it's gonna be 100. I was like, that's so much money. Like, no, like I don't spend my money like that. Like, why am I about to cry right now? It's not actually a big deal. I just like don't spend my money lately. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself real good. So then they're like in there, they're like, do you want to do a hair treatment too? And I'm like, I don't know how much it's gonna be. She was like, well, originally it's $350, but if you get it combined, it's $200. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I'll get it done. An extra 50 bucks, like, what a steal. I go to the checkout. Your total's gonna be $350. Yo, I'm about to cry right now. What the fuck do you mean? $350? Yeah. I thought she said it was gonna be $200. There was a miscommunication. We were saying that the scalp heat treatment is $150, and then if you get the hair treatment combined, it'll be $200. The hair treatment itself is $200. Bruh. Do you like see my eyes watering up right now? I just paid $350 to just do a treatment on my hair. Yo, I'm actually about to kill my Please, like, don't skip the ads or something, because what? I just spent $350. Would y'all be in shock too? Because anyways, my hair is very soft though. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very bouncy and soft. I'm actually deceased right now. Okay, it's fine, like, stop. I would really appreciate it if y'all, like, maybe, like, liked my Instagram picture that I'm gonna post on my birthday tomorrow and, like, hype me up about my hair or something, because, like, I did not just spend $300 freaking dollars for nothing. I haven't posted on Instagram in 3 weeks because I've been a little bit insecure lately, not gonna lie. So if y'all wanna, like, hype me up in my comments and, like, make me feel pretty or something, I would really appreciate it. Alright, well, now I'm gonna go drive to go get a massage. Please go hype me up in my Instagram comments, like, do something, like, make me like not depressed over spending so much money. That is literally like 7 hours of somebody's work that I just put on my hair. Alright, I'm about to get a massage. I'm so excited. I love massages. That was the fastest 60 minutes of my life. I'm about to get a facial. Like, what the f is this? I'm so excited. I haven't had a facial in so long. Yeah. She go crazy. I I told them that I needed to be out of there at 6:40 specifically. I'm getting my facial, right? The mask is gone. She finally comes back in. I'm like, what time is it? 6:49. The place that my dog is at closes at 7. I'm like, bruh, oh my God. So I rushed out of there. Anyways, that was so good. I just had a massage. I had a facial. That massage, honestly, was different. It was like a deep tissue. He was all sorts of breaking my back. Snap, crackle, pop in my back or whatever. But then I got a facial, right? And I did not know what to expect. I thought she was gonna do a little facial. I haven't had a facial in so long. She's like, take off your robe. Anyways, bare titties out. And I'm like, all right, I guess this is how we do it. It's like a towel on me. And she starts doing my facial. It feels nice and all right. But she starts like literally fisting my titties. But she starts like doing this under my back and shit, in my shoulders. Like I was a whole upper body massage. I really liked it though. Overall, 10 out of 10 experience. They were all super nice. But when I was getting the facial, another lady walked in and they were talking, and then the lady goes, you need an acne facial. Next time you come back, get an acne facial. And the other girl's like, yeah, get an acne facial. I'm like, I fucking know I got acne. All right. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna meditate and journal when I get home and just hit the hay. Hit the hay. That was the whitest person thing I've ever said in my life. Oh my God. Yes.
Okay,
Hi. Hello. Oh, look at him. He's so excited.
Oh my God.
He's got so much energy. Jeez.
Oh my God. Oh, the yummy.
Where do all these packages keep coming from? I have no idea, but I need to do an unboxing haul soon because I literally have like probably 30 packages I need to open. So grateful though. Like I remember when I used to, sorry, my lighting has been trashed for the past like 3 minutes. I remember when I used to beg for PR packages because no brand would send me any because I was so unfamily friendly that like why would they want to? But now I get so many and I'm so thankful. It's like Christmas because like I get to open it and it's so fun, but then I also get to give back to you guys. Like how many more I have. That's gonna be it for another video.
Physical metamorphosis. Mr. Busby.
I've been seeing billboards all over LA for this show called Sex Lives of College Girls, and I was like, damn, that seems fun. So I just watched like the first 2 episodes. Not gonna lie, the acting is really cringy. But for some reason, I really like it. I watched that show and basically it's literally about girls that go to college and like talk about their sex life and like have a fun, crazy life. It makes me like want to be in college or something, but also at the same time, no. When I was like 16, I used to go to colleges, I used to go to a college just for fun and like party with the college people because I knew that I wasn't going to college, so like I wanted to live like a normal life and like go to college parties and like hang out with people my age because I knew that I wasn't gonna be going, and it was honestly the best time of my life, and I think that's why I love Alberta so much. These are my nails right now. So basically I paid way too much money today. Altogether $370, $220, $590, $640. Oh my God, my food at Erewhon was $66. I saw somebody pushing a full cart of Erewhon and I was like, holy shit, you're loaded. Like that is peak of life, is shopping at Erewhon. Never again, never again, never again. Are you good, my guy? I also bought like a soup and a smoothie with that, but $66, never again. I could literally buy like a whole 2 weeks of groceries. It was $66. So today I spent like $700. So I canceled my nails. I was gonna get a new set of nails to like feel myself, and I was like, no, like I'm good. I'm just gonna do my nails at home because I spent way too much money today. So what was I saying? That's why I liked Canada so much, was because like I feel like it was so fun. I don't know. Although it is boring living in Canada, it was fun at the same time just because I feel like everybody actually was like crazy. But like crazy in a different way. Like here in LA, people are like crazy cuckoo in the head. As I live in LA, so like I like contribute to that too. Back in like Canada where I live, people were just like fun crazy, you know? Holy shit, I'm turning 19. Sorry that this vlog is kind of boring. This is more like a hi, you're my friend coming along with me, like doing all this stuff, and I'm just like got no one to talk to. Yeah, I'm turning 19. This is so weird because I feel like I was 16 yesterday. Like y'all remember my moving vlogs when I was 16? Because I do. Like that literally felt like yesterday, and now I'm 19. 19's not even old. I just feel like 19's a weird age. Like I don't want to turn 19. I just want to stay 18 or 17. If I could have stayed 16, I would. 16 was personally my favorite age out of all my ages so far, and I don't know if that's ever gonna change. 16 was like my peak life, not gonna lie. I had so much crazy shit happen to me when I was 16. I mean, I love who I am today, but I also love who I was when I was 16. I'm definitely a better person now. I was a shitty person when I was 16. I'm still kind of a shitty person, but I'm getting better. At least I'm self-aware now. And by shitty person, I mean like, no, we're not even gonna get into it. Maybe one. I feel like 19 is such an odd age. Like no one cares about 19. You know, it's just like another age to live. And also my titles are not gonna hit the same. Like moving out at 15, moving out at 16. Oh my god, those titles, you wanna click them. Moving out at 19. That title's like, okay, and. But I guess we gotta retire from that clickbaiting with my young age. So basically I don't give a flying over my birthday, and I was literally just gonna be alone and like watch a movie like I am now. I really enjoy being alone. I don't know if you can like tell. I was like, maybe you should, I don't know, do something for your birthday. So then I called Anila back in Canada, and she got time off work, and then another friend of mine. I bought them tickets to come out to LA tomorrow. So they're gonna come out to LA for a couple days, hang out with me. I feel like y'all are gonna get bored of me just being alone, but let me know. I'm having a little party in my Instagram comments tomorrow on my Instagram post. If y'all wanna like join that, I would really appreciate it. Because if I'm gonna be quite frankly honest, I don't really like my birthday, and I don't even know if I wanna post about it, because it's like, how awkward is it when you post about your birthday and then that's when the influx of happy birthday messages come in, not because people remembered. And it's not like expect people to remember. It's just like people then feel obligated to tell me happy birthday. Like, no, I'm okay, thank you. No, that sounds so bad. But like, you know, it's like when it's like even your close friends and then they only say happy birthday because they see your post, like obviously no one's gonna just remember your birthday, but at the same time I'd rather me just like not talk about it, you know? And also it's because like I don't know, actually no, maybe you guys are good people and have like a lot of friends, but I just know nobody's gonna be posting like a happy birthday for me on their story or anything, so it's just gonna be awkward, so I'm just not gonna repost any. Wow, I'm really like getting open and deep with you guys. Maybe it's like I'm just being insecure and lying to myself, but I know that it's the truth. Maybe if like y'all want to say happy birthday to me, like post my freaking Instagram post on your story and say happy birthday, maybe I'll repost those so I don't seem so lame. But I feel like in my videos y'all like look up to me and be like, oh my god, she's so cool, and I like love her, but at the same time, like if y'all knew me in real life you probably wouldn't like me. Wow, I really am just talking. I hope people that know me in real life aren't watching this, because that's hashtag awkward. It's the fact that I use the word hashtag ironically now. I'm actually really awkward in person. I'm trying to read books to help that, because I'm really socially unaware and it makes me really awkward, and I kind of hate myself for it, so I'm really bad at making friends. Fun fact about me. But I'm working on it, okay? That was today's little rant. I'm gonna continue doing this. Watch my show. Look at me, I just did a little gel and manicure. Very simple, better than the crusty nails that I ripped off. You wanna know how much that cost me? Free. Hi everyone, so yesterday's giveaway winner is on screen right here. She commented like the cutest paragraph ever. I love you. Today I'm giving away this huge Sol Janeiro kit. It has like a bunch of the full-size products. I love this. This is honestly my favorite thing ever. It smells so good. All you have to do to enter is just be subscribed to this YouTube channel you're watching right now and follow my Instagram at myfammy. And then to enter this specific giveaway, comment on the birthday post that I'm gonna post on December 5th, which should be tomorrow. And then I'll pick a giveaway winner from there. Instagram story shout of the day goes to JC. She just posted her watching my YouTube video. That's all you have to do to have a chance to be shouted out and also reposted on my story. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long, she putting me to the test.